Greetings everyone. As we know that Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of free and independent Indian nation. So let's celebrate Independence Day by making a tricolor cap. So let's start making cap, and here first of all we just need three colors, and this is saffron color, white and green color. First we need white sheet, and now take a scale. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So here we just need 3 inches. Now make a line. So this is 1 and 2. Again make a line. Now here we have 3 portions of equal sizes, 1, 2 and 3. Now take green sheet and saffron sheet. Again 1 inch margin and cut it into strips. Now cut it with the help of scissor, and you should be very careful while using scissor. Now here we have 2 equal strips. Now I am going to paste like this. And we have already white portion. So paste it with the help of glue. Now apply glue at the back side. Now paste it here. Now paste the green strip here. Now cut the remaining part. Now this is ready, and take this, reverse it, apply some glue and paste it like this and put some pressure. Now here we have this type of circular shape. Now the next step is take white sheet, draw a line with the help of scale, place it like this. Make 2 dots. Now make a curve shape. Now here again make a curve like this, because we know that the shape of cap is like this, and make straight lines. Now cut it with the help of scissor, and here we have this type of shape. Now make little cuts on the straight lines. Now fold it one by one. Now cut the outer portion with the help of scissor. Now here we have this type of shape. Now make 2 straight lines, and here we have this saffron white and green again. Now place the white sheet like this and make a line along with the cap. To this side also. And here we have this type of shape. Do the same with green color and cut it with the help of scissors. Now here we have two shapes like this and paste it with the help of glue. After making this, apply glue on these areas. Spread it with the help of finger and place it like this. Now this is ready and it looks so beautiful. So you make sure that saffron color is on the upper side. Now wear it and feel proud to be an Indian. Thank you so much.